Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to turn on your time tracker on Clickup. Maybe your client required you to turn on your time tracker before you start to do the task. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can turn on your time tracker on your Clickup. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed into this page. And you can also see below the icon for notification, search by icon, and then this one, the dotted icon. In today's tutorial, you simply need to tap on this dotted icon. And then in here, you'll see a option for track time. Simply tap on track time. And then in here, you need to first choose the task. Tap on select task. And then in here, tap on the space. And after that, select the task. After you select the task, simply tap on this play button to start the time tracker. And after you are done, simply tap on this again to stop the time tracker. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to turn on your time tracker on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn on your time tracker on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.